New. Learn how to autosave your Google AI Studio chats directly to Drive in under a minute. AUTOSAVE keeps every chat backed up to your Drive so you never lose a conversation. First, open Google AI Studio in your browser and sign in with your Google account. Click your profile icon, then choose Settings from the drop-down menu to open Preferences. In Settings, go to Chats, then scroll to the AUTOSAVE section to view options. Toggle AUTOSAVE on and pick the Drive folder where you want all chats stored. When a permissions prompt appears, review it and allow Google AI Studio to access your Drive. Choose an existing Drive folder or create a new one to organize your AUTOSAVE chats. Send a test message in AI Studio, then check Drive to confirm the chat file appears. Tip: use folders and clear names to keep chats organized and easy to find later. Your chats stay private in your Drive and follow Google's standard security controls. Enable AUTOSAVE now to save every chat to Drive. Go to Settings and turn it on today.